Hey, so if you're watching this video, you're probably wondering how we replaced our 68 tooth thin steel blade with our new 48 tooth steel cutting blade. So one of the ways that we used to cut thin steel is with 68 teeth and with an alternating top bevel. That's what ATB stands for. So basically that top bevel would go back and forth each tooth and have these brittle corners on the outside. Now those brittle corners are very good for burr reduction on thin materials. However, they aren't very impact resistant, especially paired with a +5 degree rake angle. If you start to go through anything a little bit thicker or catch your workpiece the wrong way, you can very easily break those corners off, and now you're going to start to get a burr when you're cutting thin steel. So what we decided to do was go with fewer teeth with a triple chip design. We used kind of a lower angle on our 45s on the outside corners of our triple chip, and that's going to give you a lot of impact resistance paired with that 0 degree rake on this type of grind. And then if we can protect these teeth, you can put less load on the outside corners of your chisel tooth, and that will do your burr reduction, much like our thin steel blade used to do. However, this is far more impact resistant than that was. The other big advantage here is that this blade can cut thick materials and this one can't because it's got too many teeth. So we're going to go down to the cut lab and show you guys for ourselves. Hey, so here we have roughly a 3-foot piece of 24 gauge roofing. We're going to be using our old 68 tooth thin steel blade on our 7-inch saw. Go ahead and make a cut for us, Justin. You can see, pretty minimal burr, but there is still a little bit of tear out and a little bit of burr here. Let's see what a 48 tooth can do. So you can see from our demonstration, our 48 tooth blade has less burr and the same speed of cut.